What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Tonic fam, Crow fam. Back with another banger video for you guys, man. Tonic fam, stand up. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Let me get 1,000 views on this video, man. What y'all doing, man? Let's go. Tonic about to blow up. We already know this is one of the stronger altcoins in the space. You could already tell from the chart, man. Altcoins are about to explode, and Tonic's time more than likely could be here. I hope you guys were accumulating. Even if, you know, we don't see that explosion right away, eventually it'll happen, guys. And like I said, when Crow explodes, Tonic will explode, because it is the top DeFi project of the Crow ecosystem. And you know, these are the type of hidden secrets, hidden gems in the space that you gotta look out for. You know, I never have an issue covering Tonic at all, because I already know this is one of these projects that's gonna make my channel explode whenever it does, you know, whenever Tonic does start crushing it, right? Because it will. It's just a matter of time. You remember when it was you know, sitting back here, right? And it, like I said, I don't think we're gonna see these types of lows ever again. It's when I think I just started covering it around this range, excuse me, and we're not gonna see those lows ever again, man. 10 million, I think the majority of us are still up 3x on Tonic, because I think it dropped all the way down to 10 million, or we're up 2x, somewhere around that. But yeah, it's just gonna be more upside in the future. I know that for a fact. 30,700 followers on the watch list. People are bearish, you know. People are bearish. Few people are bearish, you know. That's normal. That's typical. But yeah, the people that are still bullish on the project, the team is still there working. The community is still there building. Both the team and community is hand in hand with Tonic. And you know, like I said, I really do believe the future will be bright for this project. 63.3k followers on Twitter, and you know, they recently had an update to their Git book. You can now repay your loans using your deposited collateral in just a single transaction. Interested to know how this works? Check out our Git book here. Right? Repay with collateral. Currently on Tonic, a user needs to repay a loan with the same asset they used to borrow. This means that they need to have a sufficient amount of the asset plus interest accrued in their wallet in order to repay the loan. The repay with collateral feature will now give users 2 ways to repay his debt, either using tokenizer's wallet or using his deposited collateral. The latter option reduces the free steps it would typically take a user looking to repay with their collateral, withdraw collateral swap to the loan token, pay off loan to one single transaction. And this is why I'm telling you guys, the Tonic team is building constantly, man. I'm telling you guys, crypto.com, Crow has Tonic as one of their, you know, go-to altcoins, in my opinion. And you could see they're always supporting the Tonic project because of how much TVL it brings to the Crow ecosystem, right? Because of how much users it brings to the Crow ecosystem. There's a ton of people that when they sign up to crypto.com for the first time, they see Tonic with all these zeros, bunch of zeros, and they be like, whoa, is this like a Shiba Inu? They buy a bag, you know, and this is what is constantly happening, right? New retail investors see Tonic. They don't know the potential of its utility, but they do see it as like a meme coin per se, when we already know that it's not. But because of all the zeros, they think of it as like this meme coin, right? So it's all psychological, and I think it helps the project. So a 10x from here, you know, 50x from here, you can't rule it out for Tonic. The goal is to give users more accessible ways to pay back their debt. We aim to make it even easier for users to repay their borrowed assets in a timely manner, as it is beneficial to the protocol in helping to contain risk and bolster overall resilience. Bullish. User confirms to repay debt, token A with collateral, token B. On the back end, Tectonic will burn the user's tokens, token B, to return the underlying token. No liquidity check conducted at this point. Token B will then be swapped for token A on the integrated DEX, VVS. finance. And this newly swapped token A will be used to repay the user's debt, and the liquidity check is conducted. So this is the thing, right? They got projects in the space right now that are listed on KuCoin that haven't updated their Git book in forever, guys. KuCoin is even listing meme coins now too, right? I'm not sure what the Tonic team is waiting for when it comes to exchange listings, but if it really wants to be listed on other exchanges, I'm sure it will be. And you know, I think they're more focused on DeFi though. I think they're more focused on decentralized finance. They're not too focused on, you know, pump and dump price or exchange listing hype and stuff like that. They're focused on building out their protocol, generating revenue with their protocol, and making it the best DeFi project in the space, right? So you can't fault them for that at all, you know. Tonic fam, Crow fam, really appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Nice update from the Tonic community, the Tonic team, with their new Git book update. We recently checked out their new solution where you can repay the debt, coming soon. We'll cover that again whenever they announce more news. But yeah, Tonic team, if you can, keep the tweets coming, keep the information coming. And yeah, super bullish project, guys. Always gonna be bullish on Tonic, man. If you hold Tonic, drop some you know, super thanks in the comment section, right? Drop some support in the comment section. Become a Patreon member, become a channel member, right? I have a Patreon where I talk about, you know, other altcoins. I have an exclusive Discord where we could find gems together, guys. If you can, support the channel in any way you can, Tonic fam. And yeah, once again, thanks so much for watching. Spilling over my words. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.